What we see happening in the markets, especially for, let's say, the telecommunication providers, is that their WAN revenue is decreasing, or at least not growing. So they're looking for other solutions to offer to keep on add value and otherwise also drive revenue. So we see them moving on to offering LAN environments. And it's funny that actually the same rules apply for LAN compared to WAN. LAN environments are getting more and more complex. The amount of devices keeps on growing. I mean, you have policies, bring your own device to work or work from anywhere, so from home or even your local restaurant. So it's not really getting much more transparent for these network owners. And that's the reason why they need LAN monitoring to manage it. So we got the question from our partner if we have any capabilities for this. Of course, the answer was yes. R&D worked hard over the last couple of years to include this as part of our capabilities. I already mentioned that it's very complex, especially the exponential growth. But why is it important to include LAN monitoring? First and foremost, it's very handy to have one user interface to manage your entire network. And that's exactly what we can deliver. So we really create a single pane of glass here with your SD-WAN and managed LAN combined. And the metrics on the left or on the right, are some of the metrics we can get from the environment and show in various dashboards, which I would like you, Mehmet or Misha, to present to us.
Need to change my name, I guess.
Yeah, maybe.
Thank you. Yeah, LAN monitoring. From a perspective of the end user or the provider, I think it's important that it needs to be managed. So you need a proper management tool, and it starts by visibility. If your team's application is slow, is it the WAN? Is it the LAN? Is it the application? So it can be all, or just one. So it's really helpful if you have all this data into, let's say, one portal. So what we've done is we are, first of all, we are flexible. Just like the other case, we have some library of dashboards like this one, like managing your CPU, temperature, all kind of sensors are in your switches. And then we start asking, okay, this is our library. What's your workflow then? How does it work? And then we try to, let's say, add some dashboards that perfectly be aligned with how you as an end user or the partner is working. So in this case, you see that we manage the switches there. Another thing is that if you're looking to switches, servers, network, you can also see the access point. So you can also just click on the access point and see other metrics. For example, how many raw access points you have, how many the power your access point actually transmits, all kind of technical things are included in the report. But imagine if you have this there, you would like to have threshold, you would like to have triggers, integration into your ITSM. Basically, it's all adding up to each other. And the LAN environment is just another, let's say, another part of the puzzle that you need to monitor to get it complete. I think it's really helpful if you manage the LAN that you also have it there.